Cloud Backup and Recovery lets you back up elastic cloud servers with ease. If there is a virus intrusion or accidental deletion, you can restore data to any point in time when a backup was created. This video shows how to purchase a vault and back up a cloud server or its disks. Backing up a server does not impact its performance. You can create a server backup in 3 steps. First, you need to buy a vault. Then, you need to associate the cloud server with the vault. Lastly, you need to create a backup for the cloud server. Next, let's look at how to create a cloud server backup on the CBR console. Before backing up a server, you need to buy a vault. Log in to the Huawei Cloud Management Console and choose Storage, Cloud Backup and Recovery to access the CBR console. Choose Cloud Server Backups in the navigation pane. Then click Buy Server Backup Vault in the upper right corner. Specify basic settings and select a protection type. For billing mode, select pay-per-use or yearly or monthly. The region is where resources are stored. Select the region where the cloud server is located. After the vault is purchased, the region cannot be changed. Select Backup for protection type. A server backup vault will be created to store cloud server backups. Backups can be stored in a single AZ or across multiple AZs. Configure backup redundancy based on your service requirements. The redundancy policy cannot be changed once the vault is created. If you know which ECS you need to back up, select the ECS. If you select Skip, you can buy the vault and associate the ECS with the vault later. Enter the vault capacity you've planned. The vault cannot be smaller than the cloud server to be backed up. If you select Configure for Auto Backup, you can select an existing backup policy or create a new one. This backup policy will be applied to the vault. Servers that are associated with this vault will be automatically backed up based on this policy. If you select Automatic Association, in the next backup period, CBR will automatically scan for unprotected servers, associate them with the vault, and back up these servers. Specify Enterprise Project and Advanced Settings. Add the vault to an existing enterprise project. This parameter is displayed only for enterprise users who have enabled Enterprise Project. Enter the vault name. Click Next. Confirm the settings. Click Submit. Go back to the Cloud Server Backups page. The vault you've created just now is in the available state. Now that you have purchased the vault, you still need to associate the cloud server with it. On the Cloud Server Backups page, locate the target vault and click Associate Server in the Operation column. Select the cloud server you want to associate with the vault. Click OK. On the Associated Servers page, you can view the cloud server that has been associated with the vault. After the cloud server is associated with the vault, an automatic or manual backup can be performed. Only servers in the running or stopped state can be backed up. On the Cloud Server Backups tab, click the Vaults tab and find the vault that is associated with the server. Click Perform Backup in the Operation column. In the server list, select the server you want to back up. After a server is selected, it is added to the list of selected servers. Set name and description for the backup. Choose whether to enable full backup. If full backup is enabled, CBR performs a full backup for each associated server, which requires a larger capacity than an incremental backup. Click OK. CBR automatically backs up the server. On the Backups tab, if the status of the backup is available, the backup was successful.